Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm showing you guys everything that I like to use to do my own nails. I've been waiting to do this video forever. Everything that I purchased is from Amazon, and I will have it down in the description box below. So let me go ahead and say now, I am not a professional, clearly. This is really only like my third time, so I'm still learning. But I do feel like each time that I do my own nails, I get better, and I just love to do it. So I'm starting off with clean manicured nails, and I'm just going to start applying my tips. This glue, I've tried many different glues, and this one from Sally's is my favorite. So you guys, I really like the look of long nails, but I just personally cannot do them. So I'm getting ready to cut them down to my desired shape, which is a good medium size. I work with computers a lot, so I just need to be able to use my hands. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut them down really quick, as you guys can see. And boom, there we go. So now the next thing that I want to do is buff my nails down. So I'm not really shaping them yet, but I'm just buffing them so that the polygel that I'm getting ready to use sticks to my nail. And I'm also buffing the tip line, the edges, to make sure they don't poke out, if that makes sense. So it's not like bulky, I guess. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, as you can see, and that's going to help with your polygel application. Okay, so now we're going to prep the nails from my gelish kit that is the bomb. It has everything that you need, literally. So I'm just putting this nail dehydrator on just my nail and my nail only, to dry out the nail, And then, yeah, after that, I'm gonna do the other hand. You guys, this was so hard to film by myself, so I'm sorry if it's out of focus sometimes. It was really hard, but I wanted to make sure I posted this video. So yeah, like I was saying, this gelish kit was about $40 on Amazon. After you do the nail dehydrator, I go right in with my foundation, and that is just a base for the a gel base for your polygel between your nails, your natural nails, and the acrylic tip and the polygel, I guess. Also, I've done this a few times. If you put too much of this, it will kind of like sting under the UV light. So you don't have to put a lot of this, and also don't let it get on your skin. Okay, so I know that looks like a lot, but that's good enough amount. Once I do every finger, then I'm going to cure it under the UV light for 60 seconds, and then I'll be ready to apply my polygel. So yeah, my favorite polygel to use, I think, is going to be from Modelone so far and Rosalind. So I don't know where the first clip went, you guys. I'm sorry, but I will show you again on the next nail. I'm taking alcohol as my slip solution. to make the polygel easier to move around. What I really like about polygel is that it doesn't dry until you cure it, so you can continue to shape your nail, fix any mistakes, add more, take away product, and your nail, you know, you just have a lot of freedom with this polygel. So I'm just basically going and making sure that the product is even throughout the nail bed and not too thick, and no lumps and bumps. But if there's any bumps, if there's any unevenness, you can always go in and buff it after the fact. But yeah, I'm just making sure to cover the nail and remove any that's excess, and you can just save whatever you take off and use it on the next nail. And so like I was saying, this is about my third or fourth time doing my own nails, and I just tried to use another brand that I had just got by McCart, but I don't like it because it's very stiff and it's hard to play with. But the brands that I like, I will have it in the description box down below. So as you can see, the shape of this one is coming along great, and it's cute or whatever, it's cute. Okay, so now you guys can see how I applied the polygel, and this is the Rosalind glitter polygel, which is so good, you guys. Rosalind gels are super good, and I say that because they literally form to your nail. You don't have to do much of anything to it. It falls into place. Like you can move your finger around and the gel will kind of just like go where it needs to go. I really like that. It gives you a lot of time to play with it, and it was just cute, you guys. I was like, wow. So I think I'm gonna go back on Amazon and try to find some more polygels from Rosalind, and all the excess that you see me taking off, I do use that on another nail. So I'm taking the alcohol solution, or just alcohol, and I'm just using that to clean up the nail, shape the nail, and clean up around the cuticles, because like I was saying, you don't want any of these products on your skin. If you get a little bit on your skin, it's fine, but once you cure it, as this is cured for 60 seconds. Yeah, once you cure it, you don't want any on your skin, because that can around your cuticle, because that can cause lifting and the nail won't last as long. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys one more time how I apply the white, and this is called Milky. So it's like not super white. It's kind of like a American white or off-white, soft white when you go to the nail shop. I'm showing you guys how I apply this. I'm making sure there's no more glitter on my brush, but yeah. This one, as you can see, I thinned it out too quickly at the bottom of my nail bed, so I'm gonna have to go in and add more to make it a more opaque color. But I'm just wanted to show you guys how I do the white color, since the last clip I could not find. So yeah, you can add more, take off. As you can see, you just have so much time to play with it. It doesn't have to be perfect at first, and each time you'll get better, I promise. If you mess up, you can always wipe it off and start over before you cure your nail, So this is what they look like after they have been cured for 60 seconds. So now the fun part is going in and shaping the nails. You guys, they came out so cute. I was like, what? And obviously I'm a right-handed person, so it's easier to do my left hand, but the right hand came out cute too. So yeah, I'm just taking a 180 grit, 180, 100 or 180, whatever grit nail file to be able to shape my nails. Y'all, cute, ooh, right? Cute. I was like, wow. I was super happy. I shaped them. I'm going to file down anywhere that it needs to be even. If there's any like lumps and bumps in the polygel on the nail, you can file it off. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna take a buffer after this to make sure there's smooth edges and all of that. I don't know, I think filing has to be one of my favorite steps because, it's like it all comes together. I like the coffin shape or just the square, the long square. So yeah, you can do whatever you want. But then once I file my nails, I go in and I apply top coat. And I did wash my hands before this and I made sure they were completely dry after buffing. I'm going to apply top coat, and top coat is basically your clear gel layer. This does add bulkiness if you add too much. So just be careful. And again, don't get it on your skin, but make sure you, cover every inch of the nail and the front of the nail. And yeah, this gelish kit, I'm telling you, it has everything to complete a full set. I'm sorry you guys really can't see because, like I said, I'm filming this by myself, but I'll show you guys the finished product, And again, you're going to cure for 60 seconds. And I wanted to mention, I don't know if it's me doing something wrong, but what I like to do after applying top coat and curing for 60 seconds, I do take some alcohol and just rub it over my nails so that there's not a sticky layer. And then I apply my cuticle oil, my favorite part, yes, to make sure that everything looks good. And this is in the gelish kit as well. Yeah, you guys, just like that, my nails are done. I did add some jewels later, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.